So, இப்போ LGல வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லேட்டஸ்ட்டாக ஒரு ஃப்ளாக்ஷிப் மாடல் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா G8X dual screen model. ஓகேங்களா? So, in this phone, the key USP is we have a detachable dual screen option, which cannot be seen in any other smartphones in the market right now. Let us open.
Yeah, please.
We have the dual screen accessory here.
Thanks, Arun.
And then let's open the box. We have our latest LG G8X.
So basically you're telling this is a normal phone, but you can make it as a fold.
Yes, this is a phone through which by using this additional display option, you can use it as a dual screen option. All that you need to do is just insert this device into this accessory, second screen accessory, and just power on the device.
Arun, you should see this product. And they have some very good offer, launch offer.
It has power on, and all you need to do is to turn on the dual screen. You just have to press this, and you need to turn on the dual screen. Now the second screen gets on. Now we have a device with the dual screen option. What you can do with the dual screen is that you can use two applications, such as you can use an SMS here, and you can use gallery over here. You can simply see. You are seeing a preview on this side, and you can start your chatting on the other side. Similarwise, you can see a video here, and you can use our Facebook right here. Okay, so there are many features, and one feature which you need to see is that we have a extended view here. All that you need to do is just click on this icon. Once you click on this photo thumbnail, you will see the preview in the second screen. It's an extended view, and while browsing
Ashwin, the tab cover இருக்குல்ல 8 inch tab 8 inch ஆமா ये गेम प्ले
okay. And you can use this dual screen for real.
गेम लॉन्च
Yeah, what do you got now? Game launcher.
And we are going to play games. In normal phones, you will play games in only one screen, but in this phone, you can play and visualize the game in this screen, and you can have your controls right over here. Okay, that's the key thing about this device.
ग्लास चेंज करने से वो टच स्क्रीन का
A new phone, dual display, fold. The LG phone. gaming control.
Yes, sir.
We have a gaming control right over here, and it is similar to that of a PS2, PS4, and Xbox, similar to that of thing. So you can have your controls over here. The main thing about this control is that you can customize in whichever location you are convenient with. You can customize the gamepad. If your game supports gamepad option, this mobile you can use it like a PlayStation or an Xbox.
You can customize also.
Your own keys to control the game.
See, messaging comes here.
See, this is a new thing which we have. This is the smart keyboard option which we have, through which you can use this entire display as a keyboard, and you can compose a message very quickly when compared with the normal way of typing. You can easily compose a message in ultra speed, and if you want to capture a thing and if you want to attach a particular thing, you need to press on this capture, instant capture. So what is in the second screen, it will get captured and it will get attached also. So if you are seeing a picture and if you want to take a screenshot and then you need to attach in that screen, all you need to do is just press on this instant capture, so it will get attached. Okay. And you can use split screen also in order to easily type.
You can get swipe screen.
And if you want to change the screens, all you need to do is just you can swipe this screen, and the entire things and which is displayed on this screen will get transferred. And the same thing, if you transfer this with your 3 fingers, it will get transferred into this screen.
Facebook, WhatsApp, video playback.
And you can see video playback on this phone.
What is the pricing they have launched?
The pricing of this product is 49,990, and we have some amazing consumer offers. We have a 24 inches LG LED TV free for this device, and we also have a 6 months free screen replacement period for this device, and you are going to get it for all the 3 displays. The one that comes with phone, and second thing which comes with the cover, and the next thing is the LED display which is on the cover.
Third one.
Okay.
Display cost.
So the cost of the display would be around 18,000. So if you are an early bird customer, you will be availing all these offers. And we have cashbacks and brand EMI also, and we have Bajaj schemes also. We are having 0 schemes for this product.
When you are launching this product and when you are getting the offer?
We are launching the product right now.
Tomorrow we will be able to get the stock.
Tomorrow stocks are available and you can purchase it tomorrow.
Sure. Okay. Arun, you want to feel the product? Just come and have a look.
Once again, I reset the network signals.
It's just going to be a LED screen.
This is an OLED screen.
Once again, you make a call.
How is it?
Good.
They are launching the price range of 50,000 rupees. 50 including launch offer of TV free with this they are giving it.
24 inches LG LED TV is also for 100.
Thank you, Balaji. Thank you.